This video is an overview of the legend. On the left-hand side of your screen, within the plugin pane, clicking the legend icon will open a list of datasets available in the map. Checking the boxes will turn the dataset on, and if it's grayed out, you'll need to zoom to an appropriate extent at which the dataset will be displayed. We'll go ahead and turn on the roads layer. We can also turn on the professional land survey dataset. You'll note that select datasets have an opacity slider, allowing you to transition between fully opaque and fully transparent views of the data on top of the aerials. Anytime you see a triangle facing the right, you may use it as a drop-down, in this instance revealing the color swatches associated with the soils layer. Now we'll take a look at pictometry. We'll first zoom in to an appropriate extent at which the pictometry icons will become visible at each property. Clicking an icon will open a new window in which the oblique aerial imagery is displayed. Also within the legend is a camera icon which will open a pictometry window at the map center point. Inside of the pictometry window, you can pan the map, and you'll also have access to varying views of the same property, along with historical information as well. Resizing the legend is simple, and you may also close it to get a better view of the map.